First, take a Snazaroo paint in turquoise and using a face painting sponge, apply it to the upper eyelid. You want the outside edge to cut right through the eyebrow and fill in the area below. For the lower wing, you want to keep with the same turquoise colour, but this time apply a much smaller amount underneath the eye. Do exactly the same on the other side and try to make the shapes as symmetrical as you can. Next, take a Snazaroo paint in teal and apply this to the upper wing on the outside edge. You need to work quite quickly to blend the colours together before they dry. Then apply some more of the teal on the lower wing and also blend that colour in so it matches the top. Next, take a black Snazaroo face paint and using a brush outline the edge of the butterfly. Start on the top of the larger wing and bring the line down to the inside corner of the eyebrow and then round out the outside edge. Do the same thing on the bottom wing and be very careful to keep the two wings separate from each other. To break up the large space in the upper wing, add in a second interior line which cuts straight through the eyebrow and then round out the edges. And then thicken up the bottom wing so it matches with the top and add in a small tail. For the butterfly body, simply paint a circle right in between the eyebrows and then bring a line down the nose which ends in a point. To help get the antennae even, you can use two small guide dots where you'd like them to start and then connect these down to the butterfly head. For a finishing touch, press on lots of loose glitter in coordinating colours to your butterfly. I used a teal colour on the outside edge and a lighter blue in the middle. And if you want to add glitter more precisely, just take a damp face painting brush, dip it in the pot and then press the glitter onto the exact areas that you want.